Alright everybody, I got a little something different for you today. You know, I'm going to try to do a bunch of different kind of content and stuff on the channel. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you our recycled container garden. You know, all this stuff, plastic. You know, they say they recycle this stuff. 9 times out of 10, they don't. It ends up in landfill, ends up in the ocean, things like that. If you've seen the Team Seas thing they had going on big for a while back, you'll see what I mean. So, you know, my wife's got some little flyers right there. I got these Coke can containers that I made. All you do is just take a little sander and sand the top half off, or a grinder, buff it off, and pops right out. Drill a couple holes in the bottom, and you got your little planter. Now these right here, I just got some little wildflowers, some pollinator flowers growing in them. Same with this. And these I just did today. Jalapenos, tomatoes. These are seeds from actual food. You know, store-bought jalapenos and tomatoes I took the seeds out of. See if I can get them to grow. The little salad containers. Just recycled them, reused them. Those are food containers from a restaurant that we went out to eat a couple weekends ago. And these are just like tea jugs, milk jugs. Just cut them in half, you know, and slide them down in there. I tried, you know, the half jugs, and then I did these. And I've already got a little bit of, I got yellow peppers, I got green peppers, yellow onion, green onion, oregano, basil, cilantro, rosemary, my cherry tomatoes, beef steaks, basil, all that stuff's already growing. My habaneros and serranos hadn't started yet, but we give them time. And then in here I've got some oak tree seeds, acorns, that I had started a while back, and they're still sprouting. But I mean, it's not hard. It saves this stuff from ending up in the ocean and the landfills, and it makes good little starters. You make a little greenhouse and get them started, and then you can transport them over to the bucket container garden or whatever you want to do. And it's something you can do with the kids too. You know, kind of teach them a little bit about recycling and trying to make grow their own food, be a little bit sustainable. We still have some strawberries, some watermelons, and other things like that we're going to start here later. But right now, I mean, this is what we've got, and I've still got, like I said, I got plenty more containers right there to go to plant in. So we're going to try to get some more stuff going. I don't know how well it'll do, but you know, it's something, like I said, try to do something with the kids, and you know, try to do some recycling. You know, it's not hard. You can grow you some tomatoes, you can grow onions, you get 5-gallon buckets and grow potatoes. You know, a lot of stuff is getting expensive in the grocery stores right now, so the less you got to buy in the long run, the better. And then, of course, you know, like I said, I got my flowers. You know, they're wildflower mix for hummingbirds and bees for pollinators, because, you know, we need the bees, so why not, right? Well, anyway, I just figured I'd show y'all this. Maybe y'all like it. Maybe give you some ideas. But anyway, let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a good day.